Hi guys, my name is Rafi. Currently a pre-final student at Vasan Divankar Institute of Technology. I have been selected for the Google One interview for data analyst role. These are my teammates Rashid, Vasanti, Sivasai and Jay Krishna. Here's how my interviews goes.
Hi Rafi, please introduce yourself and your interest.
Hi, I'm Rafi, currently a pre-final student at VVIT, pursuing my BTech under CSE stream and deeply interested in data analytics, cloud computing, blockchain technologies. I have a hands-on experience with tools like Python, SQL and Google Cloud, and I enjoy solving real-world problems using data. My goal is to become a high-caliber data analyst. I love working on impactful projects, especially those involving transparency, security, and scalability.
Okay, can you explain the concept of deadlock and how it can be avoided?
Surely, a deadlock occurs when two or more processes are waiting for resources that are held by each other, creating a cycle where no process can proceed. It can be avoided using strategies like resource ordering, using wait die or wait schemes, or avoiding the circular wait condition.
Okay, what are the differences between SQL and NoSQL database?
SQL databases are relational and uses structural schemas. They are ideal for complex queries and transactions. Examples include MySQL and NoSQL databases are non-relational, schemaless, and are designed for horizontal scalability, like MongoDB and Cassandra. NoSQL works well with big data and real-time web applications.
Okay, what are the basic components of a cloud architecture?
The basic components of a cloud architecture are front-end, back-end, cloud-based delivery and network. Cloud models includes infrastructure as internet as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, depending on the abstraction level.
Okay, how do you smart contracts contribute to transparency in applications?
A smart contract are self-executing programs on a blockchain. Once deployed, they run as coded, ensuring no tampering. In applications like chartered donation systems, they ensure every transaction is traceable, reducing chances of corruption and building trust.
Okay, what is the difference between TCP and UDP and what scenarios would you use each?
TCP is a connection-oriented and ensures reliable data transfer with error checking and acknowledges idea for applications like web browsing, emails. UDP, whereas on the other hand, UDP is a connectionless, faster, and used when real-time speed is crucial, like in gaming or video streaming, where occasional packet loss is acceptable.
Rafi, you showcased a strong technical understanding across domains. Your answers were detailed and clearly communicated. Areas for improvement here are for deadlock. Mentioning a real life analogy or scenario could make your answer more engaging, while discussing databases, a quick note on the CAT theorem would be great. In smart contracts, briefly mention gas optimization or blockchain implementation, including more project-based examples would help showcase practical exposure. Overall, your performance was solid and your passion for data-driven applications is evident.
Thank you. I appreciate the valuable feedback, Vasanti. Here's my reflection on my performance. I was confident with theoretical concepts, but could have supported answers with practical project examples. I missed collaborating on CAP theorem trade-offs in NoSQL theorem, deadlock avoidance techniques using Banker's algorithm, how gas fees affect smart contracts deployment, real-world cloud use cases like scalable storage, example like Google Drive and AWS S3. For improvements, I will incorporate examples from my projects during explanations like this, relate concepts to industry use cases, prepare small code snippets or diagrams for complex topics like cloud and blockchain.
My feedback on
Depending
you
on
is your answer was confident and had a clear flow while answering, including examples from real world projects like made his answers relatable. Could elaborate a bit more on EDA techniques. Okay, Rafi, my feedback on you is your confidence and had a clear flow while answering, including examples from real world projects made your answers relatable. Could you elaborate a bit more on EDA techniques?
Great answer on smart contracts, Afi. Adding limitations like scalability issues or gas fees would show deeper understanding.
I like your answers on TCP versus UDP. You could mention why streaming platforms like Netflix prefer content with TCP, but live chats often use UDP.
Hmm. I realized I focused well on the technical clarity but missed integrating personal experience in my responses. So next time I'll share my project examples where I use the mentioned technologies. Along with I'll also highlight the trade-offs in my answers like scalability versus consistency. Relate core subjects like operating systems and data structures and algorithms for real-world problem solving. Continue building my tech and practical storytelling skills. Thank you all for your feedback.